Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a review on my Craftmade Presidential II ceiling fan that came out of my old grandma's house. So yeah, let's get started. So back in 2001, they bought this fan from a lighting center when they were building their new house. And this one's back in 2001. And this fan was installed in the living room. And in 2020, my grandma died, unfortunately. And her daughter was over the house. And then one of my aunts moved in. And because her husband died. And this fan, they were remodeling the house. They replaced 3 ceiling fans. They replaced the Harbor Breeze Aegean that's up there on the rack, that yellow one. This fan and a Harbor Breeze Moonglow. Now the Harbor Breeze Moonglow, I don't have it in my collection because it doesn't have all the parts to it. So, yeah, I just got these 2 fans. So yeah, let's get back to this. This is this fan has a 4-5 flywheel. I just discovered that. What that means is that this fan can either be used with 4 blades, like it is right now, or it can be used with 5 blades. Now, you may be wondering, where's the 5th blade? It's here. And the blades are non-reversible. Excuse the freaking dust. It's been up on the ceiling for years. 22 years. This fan did work, but I've only seen it on low because of course old people don't want their fans on higher speeds. What is that dust doing here? Anyways, but yeah, so here's the light chain. Here's the fan chain. And put the fan chain there. And now I'm gonna put my now just give it a spin. I'm gonna give it a full spin. Okay. Oop. Almost fell over there. Trying to get situated here. Let's see here. Hold up. Okay, sorry about that. All right, let's give this a spin. This fan chain keeps catching up here. So I'm gonna have to hold the chain while I'm doing this. Yeah. I don't have power to this thing. And of course but now I'm going to pause it here, and I'm just going to convert this fan to a 5-blade fan. So I've now converted this fan back to a 5-blade fan, like how it used to be when it was installed. So yeah, let's give it a spin. And as you can see, runs pretty smoothly. It spins pretty smoothly, I mean. Alright, so yeah, that was just a little review of my Craftmade Presidential II fan. Thanks for watching.